Benefits of avocado smoothie. Avocado smoothie is a delicious and nutritious drink that milk and spinach are packed with essential vitamins, such as vitamin C, B vitamins, vitamin K, and vitamin E minerals, like potassium and magnesium, and fiber. Boosts energy levels. This smoothie is an excellent source of natural energy, helping you stay active in the morning and focused throughout the day. Supports heart health. Avocados contain heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that help reduce bad cholesterol and promote cardiovascular health. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids that help prevent heart diseases, aids digestion. Both avocados and bananas are rich in fiber, which promotes better digestion and helps prevent constipation, helps maintain a healthy weight. The healthy fats and fiber in avocados help you feel full for longer, reducing unnecessary snacking and supporting healthy weight maintenance. Good for skin and hair. The vitamins and antioxidants in avocados nourish your skin and hair, making them healthy and radiant. Balances blood sugar. Avocados have low glycemic index and help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them an option for people with diabetes. Enhances brain function. Bananas contain natural sugars and essential nutrients like magnesium and vitamin B6, which improve cognitive function and focus. Beneficial for eye health. Avocados contain carotenoids such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are found in eye tissues and provide antioxidant protection from damage, including UV light. They may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Supports bone health. Avocados contain vitamin K, which is essential for maintaining healthy bones. Benefits of eating avocado. Avocado is a nutritious fruit with many health benefits. Heart healthy. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart disease, reduce the risk of blood clots, and improve cholesterol levels. They also contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Good for eyes. Avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, important antioxidants for eye health, which may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Strengthens bones. Avocados contain vitamin K, which is vital for bone health, may help prevent cancer. Some research suggests that certain components in avocados may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Supports pregnancy. Avocados are high in folate, which is crucial for fetal neural tube development and helps prevent neural tube defects. Reduces risk of depression. Some studies show that avocado consumption may be linked to a reduced risk of depression. Improves digestion. Avocados are high in fiber, which promotes a healthy digestive system and helps prevent constipation. They also support the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Natural detoxification. Avocados may help naturally detoxify the body. Relieves osteoarthritis symptoms. Some studies suggest that avocados have properties that may help reduce symptoms of osteoarthritis. Antimicrobial properties. Avocados contain compounds with antimicrobial actions that can help fight certain bacterial infections. Protects against chronic diseases. The antioxidants and healthy fats in avocados may help protect against chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and some types of cancer. Aids in weight management. The high fiber and healthy fat content in avocados can help you feel full longer, assisting in managing weight. In summary, both avocados and avocado smoothies can be highly beneficial for your health. Including them in your diet is a nutritious and tasty choice.